Ever noticed how standard truck lighting leaves you practically invisible when off-roading at night? Visibility becomes a serious safety issue, and regular headlights just don't cut it when navigating rocky terrain. Keep watching to discover how the best rock lights for trucks can transform your night driving experience with proper ground illumination. Make sure to check out the link in the description for our exclusive discount on these products. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the YONEDA rock lights. A solid choice if you're looking to brighten up your off-road adventures. These white 4-pod lights pack an impressive 6000K LED brightness, giving you crystal clear visibility, even in the darkest conditions. One thing that stands out? Durability. With an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights can handle rain, mud, and rough weather without a hitch. Whether you're splashing through puddles or kicking up dust on rocky trails, you won't have to worry about them failing when you need them most. And thanks to their die-cast aluminum shell, they hold up well against debris and impact. Now, let's talk about installation, because nobody wants a complicated setup, right? The good news is that these lights are designed for easy mounting. You won't need special tools or expert knowledge, making them a great DIY-friendly option. Plus, they're not just for trucks. Whether you drive an SUV, ATV, or anything with a 12 to 24-volt power source, these lights will fit right in. Of course, no product is perfect. While most users love the brightness, especially for the price, some mention that the wire length is a bit short. If you have a larger truck, you might need to grab some extra wiring to get everything installed just right. And while the anti-corrosion coating is a nice touch, keep in mind that these aren't built for extreme long-term abuse in the harshest conditions. They hold up well for everyday off-road use. But if you're looking for top-tier premium quality, you might want to explore higher-end options. Moving on to number 4, we have the Buero 8 pods RGB rock lights. And these are anything but ordinary. Their unique 5-sided design provides full coverage illumination, ensuring that every inch around your truck stays visible. And here's the kicker. These lights are 3 times brighter than standard lamp beads, so if you've ever struggled with dim lighting on the trails, this is a huge upgrade. But what really makes these lights stand out? The chase color mode and brake signal feature. The moment you hit the brakes, these lights flash a bold, vivid red, adding an extra layer of safety, especially when you're off-roading with friends. It's not just about looking cool, it's about staying seen and safe in unpredictable terrain. Now, let's talk control options, because customization is everything. You get 2 ways to operate these lights: a wireless 21-key remote or a smartphone app that works with both iOS and Android. That means you can adjust colors, switch patterns, and even sync your lights to music for a completely personalized off-road experience. Installation? They've made it easier. The dual-path wiring system cuts down on clutter and reduces setup time. Plus, the built-in on-off switch prevents battery drain, so you don't have to worry about waking up to a dead truck battery. And for extra peace of mind, there's a built-in safety fuse to protect your electrical system. Worried about durability? These lights come with a waterproof connector and a screw-on cap to keep moisture out. Whether you're dealing with rain, mud, or snow, these lights are built to handle the elements. At number 3, we have the YiLaie rock lights, and this set brings some serious style and functionality to your ride. With 8 pods of RGB LED lights, each packed with 15 high-brightness 50/50 LEDs, you get 150 degrees of ultra-wide illumination, which means no dark spots and full ground coverage when you're out on the trails. Now, here's where it gets really cool: the music mode. Imagine your lights syncing perfectly with your favorite songs, pulsing to the beat, whether you're listening to slow jams, dance tracks, or chill tunes. It's not just lighting, it's a whole vibe. And with 16 million colors to choose from on the phone app, your customization options are virtually endless. But it's not just about looks. These lights add real safety too. The brake warning function is a fantastic feature. The moment you hit the brakes, all pods instantly turn red, making sure anyone behind you knows you're stopping. It's an extra layer of visibility and safety, especially when off-roading with others. Controlling these lights is super convenient. Whether you want quick adjustments with the RF controller or fine-tune everything with the app, you have full control at your fingertips. Plus, the high-quality smart chip ensures a fast and stable Bluetooth connection, meaning no annoying connectivity issues like you'd get with cheaper models. And let's talk durability. Thanks to ultrasonic welding technology, these lights have an IP68 waterproof rating, making them dustproof, rustproof, and fully waterproof. Whether you're driving through mud, rain, or even water crossings, these lights are built to handle it all. Installation, it's as simple as it gets. Just scan the QR code on the driver box to download the app, compatible with iOS 7 and Android 4.3 or above, and you're ready to go. Plus, they're not just for trucks. Whether you ride a motorcycle, ATV, golf cart, or even a boat, these lights fit right in. What do you think? Would you add these to your setup? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Coming in at number 2, we have the MICTUNING RGB LED rock lights, and these are packed with some seriously cool features. With 4 high-quality pods, these lights offer brilliant illumination, but what really sets them apart is the upgraded app control. You can manage multiple sets, up to 4, all from a single phone, making it perfect for those looking to create an elaborate lighting setup with minimal hassle. Now, let's talk about customization, because this is where these lights really shine. The RGB multicolored DIY effects allow you to fully personalize your lighting experience. Adjust the brightness, speed, and strobe effects to match your mood, or take it up a notch and change colors just by shaking your phone. It's a fun and interactive way to control your setup, making every off-road adventure feel like an event. And if you love pairing your music with lights, the sync mode is a must-try. Whether you're camping, cruising, or showing off your truck, the second-gen Bluetooth technology keeps the connection strong and stable, so your lights pulse to the beat without annoying delays or disconnections. The app is also compatible with iOS 7 and Android 4.2 or above, so almost any smartphone can handle it. Now, let's get into durability, because off-road lights need to be tough. The die-cast aluminum housing combined with toughened glass makes these lights shock-resistant and built to last. With an IP68 waterproof rating, they're ready to take on dust, mud, heavy rain, and whatever rough terrain you throw at them. Installation is well thought out, too. The 2 types of mounting pads make the wiring assembly and connection process much simpler, giving you flexibility in how you set them up. Just scan the QR code on the user manual or control box to download the app and you're ready to roll. While you can install them yourself, a professional installation is recommended if you want the cleanest and most reliable setup. And the best rock lights for trucks go to the LEDMIRCY white rock lights. This comprehensive 20-pack of pure white LED rock lights delivers exceptional illumination with 350 lumen flux and 9 watts power per unit. The exceptional brightness makes these the ultimate choice for serious off-roaders who need maximum visibility. The build quality is where these lights truly shine. Made with LED XBD chip technology and die-cast black aluminum housing with toughened glass and PC lens reinforcement, these lights are built to last. You won't experience lens yellowing over time, and the vertical fine design improves cooling efficiency to extend lifespan up to 50,000 hours. If you're concerned about durability, these lights offer comprehensive protection. They're waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, quakeproof, rustproof, and anti-corrosion. This level of protection ensures they'll continue performing even in the most extreme conditions. The pure white light provides crystal clear illumination of the ground beneath and around your truck, significantly improving safety during night driving on difficult terrain. And with 20 units, you have complete flexibility to place them strategically around your vehicle for optimal coverage. Installation requires drilling holes to mount the lights, then connecting the positive electrode wires together and grounding all negative electrode wires. They can be controlled through your vehicle's existing switch system and typically use 18 to 20 gauge wire. The 365-day service commitment provides peace of mind with your purchase. Though, it's worth noting that harness kits are not included and must be purchased separately. So there you have it. the top 5 best rock lights for trucks that will transform your night driving experience. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more vehicle accessory reviews. See you in the next video.